Here's a great question. Do you need to hold your threads when you start to sew? I'm going to show you how you don't have to hold these and why you might have been taught to hold them when you started to learn how to use a sewing machine. So first off, the trick is when you start and stop a seam that your take-up lever is at the highest position. So let's just say we are putting our fabric in and you lower down the presser foot. As long as you can see the fabric down through where the needle is going to start to stitch, you do not need to hold these threads if this is at the highest position from the last time you sewed. So how do we get there? So when you stop, right now the needle is up, but the take-up lever is not. So take your hand, turn the hand wheel towards you until you can see it at the top. Bring your fabric out. That completes the stitch from the last time you sew. Now just put the threads behind the fabric, lower the presser foot, and like I said, if you can see fabric in there and the first stitch is taken into the fabric, you don't have to hold the threads. Now, if you do find yourself starting before the fabric, like in air, then yes, you should probably hold the threads. Otherwise, they might not get connected as smoothly. But if you start and stop with this guy at the highest position, you are going to eliminate about 80% of people's troubles when they are trying to learn how to use a sewing machine.